Hi, this is awkward. Anyways, so I'm gonna be doing like a black smoky eye today because I've got these like massive lashes and I haven't done a smoky eye since I was like 17 and in my emo stage, so I'm feeling like Wednesday Addams with the braids in. I need to revisit my goth stage, my emo stage, you know. I'm feeling inspired. Let's get into it. So the first thing I'm doing is priming. This is a Milk Makeup Blur stick, but it's the luminous one because your bitch has dry skin. And okay, and I'm laughing at the fact it's actually my skin tone. I haven't got any fake tan on, so you know. Ooh, she looking rough. Anyways, I'm gonna take some concealer. This concealer is literally my skin tone, so I don't know if it's gonna be a bit dark for makeup, but we'll try it anyway. It's the NYX Kiss That One Step, that one. And I'm taking it over my eyes to act as like a primer. My eyes crease a lot, so it will help it stick a little bit better. You may be wondering, oh girl, why are you doing your face makeup before your smoky eye? And that is because it's just the way I like to do things. To set that concealer straight away, because she a creasy girl, I'm taking the LMAOO translucent powder, and I like to just, I don't really bake, I just kind of like set it under my eye with the sponge. This is the Juno & Co one. It's really good for like setting and stuff like that. I want to go for a more sort of matte look today, I think, because, you know, Wednesday Addams be out here looking dead and not glowy, you know. Okay, so this is the Crayolan Concealer Circle. I'm taking, I usually take these two shades, but today I'm going to take just this one because it's more cool toned. So you just kind of stamp it on and then I just kind of like blend it out. Well, I prefer to go upwards on my cheekbones because I don't really have any cheekbones, so you know, I have to like fake it until I get plastic surgery. Too broke, can't afford a makeup studio like all these bitches hit on YouTube. No, James Charles or Nicki Minaj. Nicki tutorials. Milk makeup just be that bitch. Oof. I just set my face lightly. Oh wait, sorry. Don't know why I did that face either. That was very strange of me. I'm gonna take it on a small setting. Can I speak today? Don't really know what I'm doing, but hey ho. This is the Tarte palette, and it has a blush in called Mystified. I like to place my blush more up here as opposed to like here, because I already have a fat circle face and this kind of slims it down. I'm going to take some of that powder from before on the same sponge and just kind of run it underneath my cheekbone, my non-existent cheekbone, and then I'll brush it away like straight away because else it just kind of leaves like a white cast on me. I don't like that. So after I've done my base, I like to set my face setting spray because it keeps it on longer. This is the Pixie Rose Glow Mist. So today for my brows, I'm using the Dip Brow Pomade. This is in soft brown. Oh my god, this is gonna go so badly. I'm trying to show it. Child, anyways. I'm just taking like a tiny bit of concealer and just cleaning it up, just like the underneath bit. So this bitch was not recording earlier. Wow, good thing I've got two eyes So basically we're doing a little base, a little transition if you will. I'm taking a fluffy brush and the bronzer from this palette, and I'm just applying that in my crease. This is like just our little base, so I'm just taking a little pencil brush and running that underneath. Next, this is the Profusion palette. I'm going to use the darker brown shade before we go into the black, and I'm going to place that in my crease too, but I'm going to focus it further down, and I'm going to put black all on my lid. And then I like to go back in with the brush in the same colour from before and just make sure that edge is really blended. So before we go in with a black eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with this. This is by Too Faced. It's like a glue shadow primer thing. It just gives the black eyeshadow something to stick to. So once you've got that down and it's sticky, I'm just using the same brush. I'm using the black shade from that palette. I kind of apply it looking down or either to the side, because then it doesn't, kind of minimises the fallout a little bit. So I've applied it on both eyes, just in like a circle shape, like up into the crease. Doesn't have to be perfect, you're literally going to blend out, so don't worry. I'm taking the brown shade from before. Yeah, it's going to be a lot of back and forth from that one, just so you know. I'm taking the black shade on a smaller blending brush, and I'm just taking that where the black meets the brown. And then once you've done that, you can go back in with the brush that had your transition bronzer shade, and then just go over the very top. I go back in and reapply the black eyeshadow that was on my lid, just to make sure it is really black. You just want to focus it on the places that need the most blending. For me, that's probably on the outsides. So blend it out, I think, and I've decided that I need to do eyeliner because it's looking kind of weird. And I'm putting that in my waterline. Oh wow, she'd be looking edgy. We love to see it. For the inner corner, I'm gonna use this silvery shade. I feel like a silver just goes really well with a black. I'm going to be using the Wet-n-Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in Precious Petals, and I'm using like a small brush, and then I'm just placing it underneath my brow. I feel like under brow highlights just look really, really good. And now I'm going to put some mascara on and lashes, and I'll be right back. For eyelashes, I'm going to be using these. These are Doll, and they are by Luxury Lashes by Rose on Instagram. I'm just going to put a bit of the same highlighter that we used for our eyes on my cheekbones. Make me look less dead. Highlight my nose as well. I look like I'm gonna fly away. But anyway, so for lipstick, I'm taking the Bite Beauty Honeycomb lipstick, and just putting that in the middle. I look kind of pale. I look like Wednesday Addams. That's the vibe we went for, and do you know what? We achieved it. We didn't just achieve it, we went there, we conquered, we did it, Thank you, and well done for actually making it here, because why? Thank you. Goodbye. Bye.